Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, now that I know that this is a pullback to the whole move, I think that we're more likely to pull up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. I would definitely be targeting around the 61% or maybe the 78%, just because there's a lot of support and resistance in that area in the past. But for now, we definitely don't have a breakdown. We definitely don't have a significant lower high. We definitely don't really have any reason yet at all to become bearish on this pair. So that means going down to the 1 hour time frame. Anything we do see to the downside, unless it breaks this low way down here, we should assume is nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend. To me, it definitely looks like a possible ABC correction. This has been a very sideways market, but it definitely looks like, one down, corrective up, one down, and there is definitely a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame at a Fibonacci level. So perhaps this is actually now going to end up pushing back up towards these highs, maybe even start pushing up towards one of those higher Fibonacci levels that I showed on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.